Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check battery health of Realme device. Basically, we all know that it is very easy to check battery health in iPhone devices, but in Android phone, we don't have any option of checking battery health. As someone told me that in new Realme devices, we have option of checking battery health, but not in old devices. I am telling you guys very easy method. So if you guys have old Realme device or if you guys have new Realme device, so don't worry, I am giving you the method to check the battery health of your device. So first of all, just make sure that your internet connection is strong and then open the Play Store and write here Ampere. Search it and then install this application. It will be installed in 3 to 4 seconds. After that, just open this application and then set it to according to you. After that, we have all the details about our phone battery. Just see the max capacity, which is 5000 mAh in my phone. Max capacity is your capacity of the battery right now after the usage. So as you know that this is max capacity, and you guys should also know about your default max capacity of your mobile phone battery. So Realme Note 50 has 5000 mAh battery. So that means all we have to do just max capacity divided by default max capacity multiply by 100. Go to calculator. My phone max capacity is 5000 mAh. So 5000, and then the default max capacity is also 5000 of Realme Note 50 and multiply it by 100. So it means my phone battery health is 100%, and you guys also check battery health of your phone like this method. So if this method helped you guys, just like the video and follow us for more content. See you guys in next video. Take care.